Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to play with a microbit. So it's going to be looking like this. So this is a BBC microbit V2 and this is our USB type A cable. So I'm going to connect my USB cable into the microbit and now it's connected. Now I'm going to show you the website where we can go and play. So it's going to here. And now I'm going to connect my, and now when there's a yellow light over here, it means it's coming. And now there's this file, and now you're going to close it over there. And now we're going to go to the website, which is make code microbit. So it's make code microbit. When you enter, it's the first one. And now I'm going to just click on the lesson which I've been doing. And now it's going to take you here. So this is where you can try things which you've done on this board. These are few lessons which you can, things which you can add on to your lessons. So now I'm going to try, I'm going to remove my for start and my forever. So I'm going to delete it and on start. Now I'm going to go to inputs. I'm going to drag my on button A, go to basics. I'll show number. I'm going to ask them to show the number 4. When I go back on button B, so I'm going to change A to B, so you can do like A, B and A plus B. So now I'm going to show an icon which is this. Now I'm going to download it. So now if I press A, it's going to show number 4. When I press B, it's going to show this. Thanks for watching. Bye.